Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to start a beautiful makeup. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, like my videos and share with your friends. Also today we are going to do a different type of look, which is from Elvo Sari, and we have done already 4 to 5 looks, and if you have not seen it, then please go and check it out. All the links will be given in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. Okay, further ado, let's get started. I'm here taking a Mimi face wipe, and I'm just going to wipe out my face, whatever is there on my skin, dust, moisturizer, whatever, sunscreen, whatever I apply, it just removes it out. And I love this. These are really soft, and I had this, so I'm using. Next I'm going to use the PCA primer. I am amazed with this primer. I'm still using this primer. I'm loving it. So apply it a little bit, just massage on your face and just massage it till everything just absorbs on your skin and just feels really smooth canvas. And then I'm going with a highlighter, Mega Glow from Wet n Wild. It's a liquid highlighter. I love. Apply the Mega Glow highlighter with your sponge, beauty blender, brush, foundation brush, anything which prefers you. And before applying this Mega Glow highlighter, see that it doesn't dry it up, because when it dries up it just fixes in your skin. So it's better that you apply it and just go and blend it as once you apply it, so you get a smooth and glowy face. After that I'm going to go with my foundation. I'm going to take dewy foundations. One is from Makeup Revolution stick. It is a semi dewy. And next is from LA Girl Pro HD foundation. It also has illuminating skin like effect. It is an HD, so it's really nice. I'm going to apply this the stick foundation first. Apply it and blend it with my foundation brush, and then you can go over the LA Pro foundation, illuminating foundation, and mix it all and blend it with your beauty blender really nicely, so that you get a smooth canvas. After that I'm going to take my concealer. My concealer is from Maybelline, all-time favorite and budget friendly also, and just blend it out. I'm going to use 2 concealers. One is for just hide the darkness, and next is for my brightening. So one is for 25 and next is 10 or 15. I have mixed this both and I have used it. So just apply it and blend it with your beauty blender, and your face is just ready. You can just set your under eye with the Maybelline Superstay compact powder, and I have just used that today. And then I'm going to start my eyeshadow. Before that, let me complete my blush. The blush I'm using the cream today. It's from Maybelline cream blush. I love this. This is supery soft and buttery texture. I use this when I don't wear makeup also. So means I don't wear foundation also. It looks so natural on your skin, so beautiful. And if you're into invest in any cream blushes, then this is a go-to. But if you don't want to invest in any cream brushes, then here's a trick for you. You can use a lipstick on your cheeks. That also looks really pretty. Today I'm going to do a very simple eyeshadow look, because we have such a beautiful drape. So I just wanted to keep my eyeshadow really simple. Taking this 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 shades I'm taking, and I'm going to work with that itself. First I'm going to use the orange shade. Just blend it out. Use a fluffy blending brush and just apply into your crease. Then just build it up with the outer corner with the darker orange, and then go with the chocolate brown for the out smoky eye, like a outer corner smoke out. And then we are going to go a very nice coppery shimmery shade, and this is the coppery shimmery shade. Just apply on your lid, and that's it. The look is done. Apply your eyeliner, mascara as usual, and do all your lower lash line with the three same shades. And for the inner corners, I'm going to use the goldenish shade from Makeup Revolution palette itself. It is a beautiful golden shade, so I'm just going to apply it to my inner corners, and here my eyeshadow look is ready. For the final look, I have just completed my eyebrows and a fixed place on my skin. Just blend it with a beauty blender and complete your look with the lipstick from Maybelline Cream Mattes. This shade is chili red and I love this shade. So yes, this is my final look. If you like it, then please don't forget to subscribe, my dear friend. I'm going to hit 1000, so I just want 200 to go. Please share this video with your friends, and please do so tell them to subscribe to my channel. Bye.